Hello, Smart Stars! Welcome to Snow Quizzes, the playground for quick minds and sharp wits. Now, tell me, do you really think you are as smart as you say you are? It's time to prove it. Today's math challenge will test your speed, focus, and problem solving. Only the sharpest minds make it to the final level. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun quizzes and brain workouts. Are you ready? Let's go!
Welcome to today's Math Quiz Challenge. You will solve 30 questions involving simple algebra and expressions. Take your time, think carefully, and choose the correct option. To solve each question, make sure to substitute the value of x correctly. Let's begin. What is the value of 3 times 2x plus 1 minus 4 when x equals 5? Try to solve this.
The correct answer is 29. Nice start. Keep going.
What is the value of 4 times x minus 2 plus 6 when x equals 7?
The correct answer is 26. Well done.
What is the value of 5 times 2x minus 3 when x equals 4? You've got this.
The correct answer is 25. Great thinking.
What is the value of 2x plus 9 when x equals 8?
The correct answer is 25. Keep it up.
What is the value of 6 times x plus 1 when x equals 3?
The correct answer is 24. Nice work.
What is the value of 7x minus 5 when x equals 6?
The correct answer is 37. You're doing great.
What is the value of 3 times x plus 4 minus 2 when x equals 5?
The correct answer is 25. Great thinking. What is the value of 8 plus 2x when x equals 9? Think carefully. The correct answer is 26. Keep going.
What is the value of 4 times 3x minus 1 when x equals 2?
The correct answer is 20. Nice job. Let's try another one. What is the value of 9x minus 7 when x equals 4? The correct answer is 29. Nice start. Keep going.
What is the value of 2 times 5x plus 2 when x equals 3? Try to solve this. The correct answer is 34. Keep it up. What is the value of x squared plus 5 when x equals 6?
The correct answer is 41. Excellent!
What is the value of 3x plus 12 when x equals 7? Try to solve this. You can do it.
The correct answer is 33. Nice thinking.
Here is another one. What is the value of 5 times x minus 1 when x equals 8?
The correct answer is 35. Well done.
What is the value of 4x plus 11 when x equals 5? Remember to substitute the value of x correctly.
The correct answer is 31. Good job.
Don't lose focus. What is the value of 2 times 4x minus 3 when x equals 4?
The correct answer is 26. Keep going.
What is the value of 7 plus 3x when x equals 9? Stay focused. You're doing great.
The correct answer is 34. Nice work.
What is the value of 5x minus 8 when x equals 10?
The correct answer is 42. Great effort.
What is the value of 6 times 2x plus 1 when x equals 2? Take your time. Think carefully.
The correct answer is 30. Well done.
You're doing great. Keep it up. What is the value of x squared minus 4 when x equals 7?
The correct answer is 45. Keep it up.
What is the value of 8x plus 2 when x equals 5?
The correct answer is 42. Nice job.
What is the value of 3 times 2x minus 5 when x equals 6?
The correct answer is 21. Good thinking.
Can you solve this? Let's find out. What is the value of 4x minus 9 when x equals 8?
The correct answer is 23. Well done.
What is the value of 2 times x plus 7 when x equals 9? Stay focused, you're doing great.
The correct answer is 32. Keep going.
What is the value of 9 plus x squared when x equals 4? You can solve this.
The correct answer is 25. Great thinking.
What is the value of 5 times 3x minus 2 when x equals 3?
The correct answer is 35. Great effort.
What is the value of 7x plus 1 when x equals 5? Take your time. You got this.
The correct answer is 36. Good job.
Almost there. What is the value of 6x minus 11 when x equals 7?
The correct answer is 31. Keep it up.
What is the value of 4 times 2x plus 3 when x equals 4?
The correct answer is 44. Almost done.
This is the last question. What is the value of 3x squared minus 2 when x equals 3?
The correct answer is 25. Excellent work! How many did you get right? Don't forget to drop your score in the comments section.